Hello everyone. Millingtonia hortensis, or the Indian cork tree. Such a beautiful flowering tree. Long, white, slender, fragrant flowers that bloom twice a year are quite a delight. I haven't seen this tree often here. In fact, this is the only tree that I have seen in a neighborhood other than one other that I've seen in a park. But this one is blooming all over. Long, white, slender, fragrant flowers with soft floral fragrance that wafts, and all of them drop to the ground in the morning. The flowers are picked and braided in India, and here they are just lying down. What a beautiful sight to watch. Almost a 40 or 50 feet tall, and the fragrance wafts for almost 20 feet here. What a delight this tree is. It's called Aakash Malli, or it literally translates to a sky jasmine. It's not a true jasmine, belonging to the Bignoniaceae family and the Millingtonia genus. Such a beautiful, beautiful tree to have. I have one about 10 feet tall and may take quite a few years to bloom. I will take this closer. Taking it closer, all these flowers that dropped to the ground this morning. Fragrant flowers, and it wafts for almost 20 feet. They're still dropping with the wind here. That little spot that comes on the screen is another flower dropping down. They're usually picked up in the morning and are braided. I have done a couple of braids with long, slender flowers before, but I will try to show another way of braiding these flowers. What a delight. I have one growing, but it's about just 10 feet and may take quite some time. Up close, let me see if this is showing well. I'm not too clear, but has a slight rose tinge to the flowers. I'll try to show it much better in the shade. I could stay here all day long. Thank you all for watching.